April 12, around 2 o'clock. So Nelia asked me to cook fish today. Instead of sinigang, it would be fish fillet. So I'm going to fillet this milkfish. I won't show how to fillet fish. I'm sure people know how to do that. I'll just get to the cooking part. Here the fish are descaled using this tool. This is really good to remove scales from fish like these. You can use it with other fish too, but I love this tool. So this is a deboned milkfish. I'll just feed it to the dogs and cats. That's Mai, it's a girl. And Sprinkle just born 4 pups. So the milkfish fillet is really thick and fatty. So it's really good. I didn't skin it. I don't have the proper tool for skinning milkfish. Maybe someday I'll get it. But it has skin, and I'll just keep the fish intact when frying. The fish fillet are a little bit wet, so dab them with a paper towel. So get the blood out too as well. You can buy the paper towel from Pure Gold or Centromall. They have it. Actually, you can buy them from downtown drugstore too. We sell them. So the spices I use is salt and pepper, and the cooking oil is butter. You could use regular oil, but if you want it to be tasty, best to use butter. Here there's a sprinkle of pepper. I love pepper and salt. Again, sprinkle of salt, not a lot. I don't even bother rubbing it in. I don't spice the other side. This side is enough. There's enough spice and salt to do its job of taste. Cut some butter. Cut them into little pieces so they easily melt when heating them up. You want to do this quick. You don't want the butter to burn. Here the butter are melting. It'll change color, and then put the fish fillet into it afterwards. You know, you want it to caramelize a little bit. Here I cut. I'm trying 3 pieces. At some point, you will need to replenish the butter, cooking the last 3 pieces. Cooking this, you don't want to have it on high heat too much. So keeping the skin with the meat, it keeps the meat together. Without the skin, this thing will fall apart. So that's the reason why I didn't remove the skin. Leave the fish alone for a few minutes so that it cooks. Fish meat doesn't take long to cook, but I just want to have it looking good. So once in a while, move it. I mean, it's a non-stick pan, but you want to have some movement. So here I flipped the fish. Oops, my goodness. So the skin side, it tends to make gas, so it just explodes. So when that happens, you gotta really move it. You don't want that thing sitting around and allow the moisture to get a build up. So cooking sometimes is like a hazardous job. One could get burned. Flip it one last time. It's pretty much cooked, these 3 pieces. So in a few seconds I'll take it out of the pan. Okay, it's pretty much done. So I'm just gonna cut them into little pieces so that it'll be easier to eat. So I just cut them into steaks like these. So it's they're done in portion, and there'll be leftovers. So this is what it look like. It's all done.